guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode. Right now we're entering Predeal. Here it rains. The weather is really bleak, you can see, but it will pass. I must admit, so far I'm amazed by the fact there isn't a traffic jam right here. I mean, it's really incredible. It's actually deserted. I mean, if it will be like this, it would be amazing. And you can see on the GPS, maybe it wasn't refreshed or something, the time decreased by almost an hour. Instead of 6:45 at some point to arrive in Cernica, right now it says 6:09. So it's really awesome. My car gets washed for free. It's perfect. Here the road is like this, most probably the entire Prahova Valley will be like so. I mean, it's really awesome and unexpected. Right now we're exiting Predeal. the next mountain settlement, I could say. Mountain resort is too much, is Azuga. There's not much to be done there. Aside from hoping to pass through it as fast as possible. But it's really nice. This rain washed away the debris left from the winter windshield liquid. It was like a white trace, especially on that side. Now it's crystal clear, the way I like it. The traffic jam starts, and of course it's caused by the crosswalks in Bușteni, but still it's good. We're moving. It is more than I would have expected. I'll see you in Azuga to Bușteni. Take care wherever you are, guys, and bye bye.